Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy, the S22 series, the Galaxy S22 and the 22 Plus, the new leaks is here with the 50 megapixel main camera and the proper telephoto lens. The Galaxy S21 and the Plus use basically the same camera hardware as their predecessor in the S20 generation. This will not repeat for the upcoming S22 generation in the 2022, as Samsung will change its philosophy for the next year model. According to the leakster Tron, the S20 and the 21 camera feature a main 12 megapixel module with a large pixel and 64 megapixel module for the zooming in. The large pixel in the main camera enabled high quality night shoot, while the high resolution module offered the option of a full resolution shoots without zoom, as well as recording 8K video. For the Samsung S22 and the 22 Plus, things will be different. They will feature a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto module with a 3x optical zoom lens, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. This actually does not mean that the end of a large pixel. Of course, Samsung has a large 1 by 1.12 50 megapixel sensor with a 1.4 native pixel, which grow to 2.48 with a binding, and it can record 8K video as well as operate a 100 megapixel mode. Of course, by the time the S22 series is announced, Samsung may have introduced the third generation GN sensor, and yes, there is a plenty of time until then. The Galaxy S22 is a half year away at least, so this early rumored could be inaccurate or based on a preliminary plans that change as development progress. If the rumor does pan out, it will mean that the non-Pro Plus Galaxy S model will miss out on a periscope camera for yet another year. That is the domain of the ultra-wide S and Note alike. Anyway, current rumors suggest that the S22 generation will not have under-display cameras, and they won't have a 3D ToF sensor either. A quick note on the code name for the phone, which Tron refers to the Samsung Rainbow or Energy. Rainbow is the code name of the Galaxy S22 series, and each of three model get letter the RGB. R is the vanilla mode, G is the plus, and B is the bigger ultra version. So this is the latest update about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 setup lineup for the 2022. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.